unless and until they get a module that is easy to manage. That is easy to manage. And that particular module can be finished in not more than 80 hours duration. That is important here. Okay, that is not more than 80 hours duration. Okay, so that is you keep on breaking the project into smaller, even smaller, unless and until you get a module that is easy to manage and that takes less than 80 hours duration to work on it. Okay, and we have a name given to such a module. Okay, that is very popularly called as work package. Called as what? Work package. Okay. At the same time, the structure what you see here, the hierarchical structure what you see here is called as WBS. That is a work breakdown structure. It is called as what? Work breakdown structure. Make sense? Okay. Fine. So this is what called as a WBS. Fine. Next, we'll try to understand what is something called as a baseline. Yeah, this is very important. Okay, understanding baselines are very important. Okay, so this will be the last topic for today. Today, basically, I want to keep it a little bit short so that because this is the first class in project management. Okay, I know some of you might be having some trouble in understanding this. Okay, fine. Anyways, let me make you understand what is this baseline is all about. Okay, so here I want to kind of tell you a story here. Okay, so here the story is now I have a client by the name of Peter. Okay, his name is Peter. Now he wants to build a 3-storied house, nice, rich-looking 3-storied house. Now Peter is very specific about the requirements. So what he has done is he has listed all the requirement as part of contract. Okay. Now in this scenario, now let's say I'm the project manager for this project. Okay, that is to construct this 3-storied very nice house. Okay, basically I'm the project manager here. Okay, so fine. Now the client, that is Peter in this case, has given a list of requirements what he wants to see in the house. So basically what I do is I analyze this. Okay, after analyzing, what I do is I come up with a budget. Okay, maybe let's say okay, let's say $200,000. Let's say I figured out that the cost of the project will go around $200,000. Okay. At the same time, I figured out that this the duration for this project would be around 8 months. Okay. Now you know what, Peter, that is the client is very happy about the the figures. Okay. So what he does is he enters the deal. That he agrees that okay, let's go ahead. Okay, I'm fine with the budget and I'm fine with the schedule. Now, the moment the client agrees and the moment the project manager agrees, in coming days, this will be called as targets. That is, don't you think so? Being a project manager, it is your responsibility to get these requirements done successfully. Yes. So basically, this has to do with requirements. So it is called as a scope baseline. That is, this is called as what? A scope baseline. Okay. At the same time, can you see here? $200,000. Okay. So $200,000. All right. Fine. Now, don't you think so it is your job, that you being a project manager, that's your job to make sure the project is finished in $200,000. Make sense? Okay. At the same time, don't you think so it will be your job, that is being a project manager, it would be your job and you'll be held to make sure that you finish the project in a time duration of 8 months. Okay. That is, this one is called as a cost baseline. That is a cost, it's called as cost baseline. Okay. It is, or in other words, it can be called as a cost target. Yeah, this is the target. This is your target now. Okay, at the same time, this is called as a schedule target. In fact, popularly it is called as a schedule baseline. Make sense? Okay? Fine. So actually, the next chapter would be on time management, which is really, really very important for that matter, it is important from a PMP point of view. At the same time, that is really very important from IT project management point of view. Okay, fine. Just a second. Today I want to kind of take more questions from your side. Okay, fine. So tomorrow we will be doing time management. That's a very, 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 very lengthy chapter. Okay, fine. We'll see that tomorrow. Okay, now I would like to kind of take questions from your side. Okay, see, basically I have a kind of a plan. Every day I have to finish this amount of modules. Sometimes it takes more time. Sometimes it takes less time. I don't have control on that. Okay, fine. Let me take questions now. Okay, people with questions can stay, and people without questions can log out. Okay, let me repeat myself. People with questions can stay, and people without questions can log out. Okay, fine. Yeah, Anita, do you have any questions? Yeah, Malika, do you have any questions?
I will ask your question privately.
Oh, you'll call me?
Yeah, I will call you. I'll call you.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, Devashri, do you have any questions? Yeah, Mitra? Okay, I'll come back to you. Okay, let's say if I miss by any chance, okay, definitely even I'm a human being. I might have missed some questions, or I might have, unintentionally I might have forgotten to ask, to unmute so that you can ask me questions. So let's say if I skip or by mistake if I leave anybody untouched, so please give me a call. Okay, please help me. Okay, fine. Yeah, Tapan, do you have any questions? Yeah, Tapan?
No question. Thank you.
Okay, okay. Yeah, Gauri, do you have any questions?
Can you just tell me about the scope baseline one more time?
Yeah, sure. Okay, that's a very good question. Okay, I'll explain it once again. See, this is how you can help yourself, by asking questions. Okay. Okay. Now let's say, as I told you previously. Okay, I'll mute you. Okay, there's an echo from your side. As I told you previously, I have a client by the name Peter. Now he wants to build a 3-storied house. So basically what he does is he lists all the requirements in a document. Okay, fine. That is, he lists all the requirements in a document. That is saying, I want the first floor should have these things, the second floor should have these things, the third floor should have these things, and this is the color of the paint what I'm looking for. Okay, and I should have a garden which having all these amenities, etc. These are things what Peter wants. Okay, so this is what called as a scope baseline. Make sense? This is what called as a scope baseline. That is, once you agree, being a project manager, you agree that okay, fine, this can be done. The moment you say that, from that point onwards, that will become a scope baseline. That is scope target. Scope is what? Requirements. Make sense? Okay, let me unmute you. Yeah, Sri Gauri, do you understand now?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Any more questions? Any more questions?
That's it.
Oh, okay, fine. No problem. Yeah, Sanjay, Suresh? Yeah, do you have any questions, Sanjay?
No.
Yeah, if you have any questions, give me a call, okay, after 10 minutes. All right?
Okay.
I think, yeah, Samir, do you have any questions?
Kunal, I kind of missed starting 10 minutes, so I don't know what happened.
Okay, I'll talk to you. No, this is the second or third time you're doing the same thing.
No, this is the first time I got late actually.
Oh, is it? Oh, yeah. Then you have an excuse. Come on, you're kind of funny. Okay, leave me a test mail. I'll take care of it. Okay?
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, Rimple, do you have any questions? Yeah, Rimple, do you have any questions? Okay, fine. I'm not able to kind of hear you. Okay, anyways. Oh my God. Just a second. I'm getting some more questions. Oh. Okay, fine. People, let me announce once again. Okay, if you let's say if I miss anybody, please okay, give me a call. All right, because there's so many times I cannot keep track of chat messages. Okay, I'll unmute you, Nihal. Just a second. Yeah, Mr. Rakesh, do you have any questions?
Yeah, I have questions. Yes.
Yeah, please tell me.
Can you explain me about that again, like project, program, and portfolio?
Yeah, nothing, very simple. See, many projects together is called as programs, and many programs together is called as portfolio. For example, in India, many districts together is called as states. Okay, and many states together becomes a country. Make sense?
Okay, I got it. I got it.
Simple as that. Okay, fine.
Thank you.
Yeah, Nihal, Nihal Matre, you can call me, all right? Yeah, sure, Formula, I'll take care of it, okay? I'll give chance everybody, just hold on. Yeah, Prabha, do you have any questions?
No, Kunal. As of now, nothing.
Okay.
Thank
Okay,
you.
fine. If you have anything, please do email me or do call me, all right?
Sure.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, Navina, do you have any questions?
No questions, thank you.
Okay. Yeah, Kusum? Kusma?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you have any questions?
As of now, no, I don't have any questions. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, I think, Mr. Mehta, I think you have questions. Go ahead.
Yeah, in a project structure, is there anybody who's not a stakeholder?
See, basically, whenever we say, anybody who is working in a project, okay, directly or indirectly, are definitely a stakeholder. Okay, so here, nobody will ask a question saying that, oh, who's a stakeholder? No. Basically, this word stakeholder will be very oftenly used in a conversation, and you should be, kind of have a very good understanding about what exactly is trying to say. Because I've seen the people coming from finance, whenever, they find this word stakeholder as part of conversation, okay, they try to kind of imagine of a shareholders. And I just wanted to kind of clarify on that. In PM exam also, they will not ask a very basic question. Make sense, Mr. Mehta?
Yeah, effectively everybody's a stakeholder, basically.
Yeah, exactly. Okay,
Yeah.
definitely.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
All right.
Right?
Thanks. Mm-hmm.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. Yeah, Eric, I'll give you a call. Okay, Eric, I'll give you a call. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, Devashri? Okay, I can see that you have some questions. Our functional manager more powerful than how do they manage resources along with the project scope? See, basically, let's talk about IT, okay? So basically your question is about the organization structure. Okay, when we talk about IT, it is very obvious that it's a projectized organization. That is, a project manager has all the power. Okay, but when we talk about functional organization or when we talk about matrix organization, basically this is what being written in PMBOK. That is, who has more power. But it does, at the same time, it doesn't say what are the power he has and what are the power he doesn't have and what are the power this guy has. It doesn't talk about that. Basically what it tries to say, who's the boss? Is functional manager a boss or is a project manager a boss? Make sense? Okay, it doesn't kind of, give you every specific, powers, what this guy has, what functional manager has and what project manager has. It doesn't mention very clearly. But anyways, coming down to projectized organization, project manager is more powerful. Means he will take care of, recruiting process or something of that kind. Make sense? Yeah, Debushree. Yeah, I have unmuted you. For some reason, you're not able to kind of, No, Familiar, this is not the time to take a CAPM as I mentioned previously. Okay, you should kind of, maybe, you should be thinking about this maybe 6 months down the line, not now. So I'm not trying to sell CAPM here. Okay, see, the only objective is I want you to become a project manager in a time of 1.5 years. All right? Fine. Okay. People, let's say if I missed out any questions, it's my humble request that, please do give me a call. Okay? Please do give me a call. All right? Fine. And in tomorrow's class, we will be doing time management. So tomorrow we'll be doing just time management because it's a very lengthy chapter. So that's the reason why I didn't want it to start today. Okay? Fine. So I'll send you the slides. Okay? Please go through that. And please let me know if you have any further questions. Okay? At the same time, so tomorrow is Tuesday, so you'll be having class at 10:15 p.m. EST. Okay? Thank you so much. Yeah, if I missed anybody's conversation, please do give me a call. Thank you so much. Have a nice night. Thank you.